Welcome to Lernovatic Tutoring. Today I am going to show you an important concept for the GCSE higher. That's a perpendicular line equation. So I picked an example from the GCSE past paper November 2023 paper 1 and the question number 12. So you got a line equation 2y equal to 3x minus 7 and you got the you need to find the perpendicular line which is passing through 6 comma minus 5. So yeah, this is the symbol. So the key thing is if the lines are perpendicular, the gradients of those things, the two lines, let's say L1 gradient is M1 and then the other one is M2. So when you times them, they need to make minus 1. That's the key logic for the perpendicular line. So let's find the gradient of this one and then you work out the gradient of the required line. So how do you do that? So 2y, right? So equal to 3x minus 7 and then make y subject to find the gradient on this one divided by 2 both sides. That makes y equal to 3 by 2 x minus 7. So how do you decide the gradient? So you need to compare this one with y equal to mx plus c. So m is the gradient, that's the number next to x. So therefore m1 equal to 3 by 2. Then next one, how do you get the perpendicular line gradient? So use this one. So what it is, just if it is m1 is 3 by 2, m2 will be reciprocal of that. That means you flip it. If it is a fraction, just flip it. So that's 2 over 3. And then a sign, it needs to make opposite sign, right? When you get minus, if it is plus times minus or minus times plus. So if it is plus, you take minus. That's the required gradient. And then what is the required line equation? That's y equal to mx plus c. And then substitute the points as well as gradient to get the c. That's your required line. So substitute, what is y value? Minus 5. Gradient is minus 2 by 3 and then times x is 6 plus c. Now this is 6, right? So you can do the cancellation. 6 by 3, that makes you 2. And then the minus 5, minus 2 times 2, minus 4 plus c. So plus 4 both sides, you get minus 1 equal to c. So therefore the required final line is you substitute there. So y equal to mx, m value is minus 2 by 3 and then c is minus 1. Okay, this is how you work out the perpendicular line equation. Thanks for watching.